So hi, so today we discuss about some question related to KVS exam. So first question is what is the postfix expression after evaluation? So result is 18. 18 is your answer. Okay. How you can evaluate it and then you will get the answer. Like here it is 6, 3, 4 to plus minus and into. So plus operator is there. So you can do like this way. See, here the equation is given, that is 6, 3, 2, 4. So in the stack, if it is a stack, so here you will insert 6, first is 6, then 3, then 2, then 4. So first it will encounter plus sign. So when plus sign you will encounter, 2 will get removed and you will get 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 insert. Then after 6, then again it will minus sign. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. Now into sign. 6 3 is a 18. So that's why 18 is the answer. Okay. 6 when you insert 6. So 6 and 3. ना and then minus is there. So minus इसके साथ लगेगा first operand के साथ. Next is the insertion operation for the stack is called, for insert we use push operation. Next, the length of IP address is what? The length of IP address is 32 bit. Next is the mechanism protect private network from outside attack is that, what is this? This is firewall. Firewall basically used to protect from from any kind of outside attack. So now every network interface card, that is NIC, comes it with own MAC address. Okay. Next is a table has 4 columns, 6 row. How much cardinality are there? So total number of cardinality is 6 rows, so 6. Don't multiply. 4 multiply 6, if you do you will get 24. That is not the answer. 6 is the answer. Now uh, which one is not DML? So DML is not DML, that is delete. Or not DML, not delete, update and select, all are DML command. But alter is not a DML command, that is DDL command. Now can9 and varchar is fixed and varchar is variable. Now GSM, what is the full form of GSM? Global System for Mobile. And POP is Post Office Protocol. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. XML, Extensive Markup Language. And web server, you know, web server is a software that use HTTP protocol for respond. Okay. So these are some questions, important questions related to KVS exam. Here you can see difference between hub and switch. Hub basically used for broadcast the messages and switch used for unicast. This point you will remember. And hub lower bandwidth, in switch higher bandwidth. And DDL command is create, alter and drop. Now primary key is what? It is a unique identity. And degree of relationship is number of attribute is called degree. Then 13 number is alter and update. Alter is a what kind of key? 13 number. See question of 13. In SQL, which command used for modify the table and which command used to modify the existing data? So modify the table we use delete command, and one used to modify the existing data, that is alter. Now next, all aggregate function except that is count set, and which is constant not a constant in SQL. Number 2, stack is what? Stack is a what kind of data? LIFO. LIFO data structure for stack. Okay, LIFO. Next is a device used to connect dissimilar, that is dissimilar network. We use gateway. Then which of the unguided media? Unguided media is a optical fiber cable, radio wave. Which one is correct? Unguided. Unguided means radio wave. Not an example. So optical fiber. The unguided is radio waves, Bluetooth satellite. So optical fiber cable is unguided, not an unguided media. It is a guided media. Next, in a stack, if a user tries to remove an element from an empty stack, it is called what? Empty stack, it will call underflow. And which is in a range operator. That is, let's check the answer. 7 number. So which is not a constant, that is distinct. Distinct is not a constant. And stack is last first stack data structure follow. First in last out, yes. And it is getaway, okay. Underflow, okay. Which is non a range. Range is between. POP is post office protocol, transmission control protocol, voice over internet, then hypertext. Where and having, what is the difference? Where clause is used to filter out the record from the table or used while joining more than one table. Only those records will be extracted who are satisfying the specific condition of where clause. It can be used with select, update, and delete statement. Now, having clause is also used to filter out the data, but it is by using group based on the given condition of having clause. So those group who will satisfy the given condition will appear in the final result. It can be used only with group by clause. Now HTML and this line, it can only used with group by clause. Okay. Now HTML is markup language, XML is standard markup language that define other markup language. It is not case sensitive, but it is case sensitive. Now has its own predefined tag, and it tag are defined as per the need. Now closing tag are not necessary needed. Closing tag are mandatory. Static in nature and it is in dynamic in nature. So these are very important for KVS. Statement based question is coming in the for conceptual clear. So you have to read thoroughly. Go through all the topic. Circuit and packet switching. Circuit is what? It is connection established. Circuit switching are three phases. That is connection establishment, data transfer, and connection release. ठीक है, and packet switching and directly data transfer. No dedicated path are there. But in circuit switch, dedicated paths are there. Each data unit known entire path of the address. But in packet switch, each data unit just know the final destination of the address. Now circuit switching is more reliable packet switching is less reliable. Packet switching is less reliable. ठीक है? So it is not store and forward technique, and packet switching it is store and forward technique. In circuit switching there is a physical path, and packet switching no physical path are there. Now difference between fetch 1 and fetch 1. Fetch 1 is what? It fetch all the rows on the query result and empty result return if there is no record. Okay, if empty list is list, it will return empty list, not tuple, not dictionary. It will return only the empty list. And fetch one method return one row, or and it will return none if no more rows are available. These are the basic difference for fetch all and fetch one. Now what is hub and what is switch? Hub is forward the message to the every node connected, and hub is what? It is broadcast network, and switch is a single. It will work in single. In large network, switch prefer to reduce the unwanted traffic in the network, which may reduce the bandwidth and cause network congestion. Just now we see hub and switch differences. So hub basically it will broadcast network. Okay, next is WAN and MAN. WAN basically it is wide area network, computing device, city, country, continent, over 100,000 kilometer radius. Network of ATM banks all are comes under WAN. And MAN is a metropolitan area network. It's network of communication device in the city, within a city. Network of school, bank, government. Okay. Best example one is internet. Now see select count discount. Discount method if you see it will 1 and 2. 2 record it will return. Next select maximum price, minimum price. Take a group by manufacturer. Then it will join the two table and then you will get the result. So degree is 4, coordinate is 5. Okay, degree is 4 how? This is the degree. How many attribute? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 attribute 4 degree and row is called cardinality. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the cardinality. So to display the number of customers from each city, we use count star. Then CCT, consumer group by CCT. To display the number if you want to display. Each word, whenever you see each word, that means it will be apply group by function. Now here if you see, suggest the suitable place to install the server of this organizer. Suitable place is which one? There where the number of computer is greater, that is 200. So that is in this option is correct. Take a more number of system, that means it is a server. Next, which of the suggest to install, that is for efficiently connect. For efficient we use hub or switch. Suggest the repeater. Repeater कहाँ पे बैठेगा? जहाँ पे 100 meters से distance is between more than 100 meter. So repeater will be placed there. Like between 100 meter से ज़्यादा है दुर्गा and रायपुर, ठीक है? 100 meter से ज़्यादा. Then this also 100 meters से ज़्यादा. So within 2 place it will place repeater. Okay, now this current location, so you will use WAN. This is most suitable technique. Okay. All right. So more question are there. Lot of question are there. You can solve it. See this one. Having clause. Having clause does which of the following? Having clause act exactly like where clause or act like a where clause but rather than groups. So what is the answer? 38. 38 is answer is having clause is behave act like a where clause but is used for group by rather than rows. Okay. Important question जो है I will discuss. So these all are about database management system. ठीक है. See HTTP and FTP. What is the difference? The FTP is a file uploading file workstation of FTP and HTTP protocol transfer file from the web browser onto the browser in order to view the web page. And FTP is upload the files. We use FTP. Optical fiber का advantages क्या है? It is low power because signal in optical fiber degrade the less power, higher durability. ठीक है. To high bandwidth we use optical fiber. Now full form of DHCP, what is the full form? Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Then FTP is File Transfer, GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication. PHP Hypertext Processor, FLOSS Free LibreOffice. XML is Extensible Markup Language. SMS is Short Message Servicing. CDMA is Code Division Multiplexing. TDMA Time Division. GPRS is General Packet Radio Service. IRC Internet Relay Chat, then URL you know IMAP. Okay, IP are intellectual property right. SIM is subscriber identity module. Now name the fastest is OFC optical fiber cable is the fastest. Name the transmission media best suitable for connecting hilly area. Hilly area we use either microwave or radio wave. Name the protocol which used to receive mail we use POP and to send mail we use simple mail transfer protocol. Send we use S for send. Receive you will use POP. Now FTP and HTTP are to upload and download file. Now name the transmission media. First one is a pan that is Bluetooth and infrared. Okay. Now which of the following appear harmless but actually it will be very proper harmful. That is Trojan horse. So rearrange the following increasing order telephone line in a speed according to speed. So first is telephone, then fiber optic, coaxial to increasing order of speed. मीन्स टेलीफोन लाइन ठीक है ट्विस्टेड पेयर केबल का स्पीड बहुत ज़्यादा है सो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर नेक्स्ट है कोएक्सियल केबल देन फाइबर ऑप्टिक देन टेलीफोन लाइन नेम द ट्रांसमिशन मीडिया बेस्ट suited for connecting the desired area is microwave. Name the protocol which transfer the file that is FTP guided media twisted coaxial optical fiber and unguided radio satellite microwave. Example of guided and okay. Now total 80 questions are there. Okay, this 80 question we will discuss in next class.